do that, I use bullet journal as I really hope you enjoyed this whole video. All right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Koel, and if you're new then do subscribe, because in this channel we are going to have a lot of fun. So in today's video I'm going to show you my whole journal collection, and when I say collection I mean it, because I do have a lot of them. So in this video I will not only show you the journals I have, but I will also tell you for which purpose I'm using which diary, and a little bit of how you can also use it. So let's get started with it. So the first planner that I'm going to show you is a very local one that you definitely have used once in your life, and पापा लोग को ये हमेशा ऑफिस में मिलती रहती है. तो ये है मेरा यूट्यूब प्लानर. मैं इसमें सारा जितना भी आइडियाज़ रहता है उसको मैं नोट डाउन करती हूँ, एंड जब मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी उससे पहले इसमें लिख लेती हूँ कि मेरे को क्या थीम है मेरे वीडियो का, क्या टॉपिक होना चाहिए, और फिर क्या क्या मैं सीन्स चाहती हूँ कि जो मेनली उसमें इंक्लूडेड रहे, किस टाइप का कट होगा, किस टाइप का ट्रांजिशन होगा, मैं सब इसमें नोट डाउन करती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी वर्क बिकॉज इट मेक्स द वर्क अ लॉट better. I have like experienced it myself that when I haven't planned and I just start doing things randomly, it turns out not so good, mediocre type, or it's like really a waste of my whole shoot. Like it ends up really badly. But whenever I have planned, it turned out pretty good. Like it was very systematic and everything was in flow. But also note that planning is not like a rigid outline of it. You're just giving a shape to your idea, and when you are actually implementing it, you can see for yourself it's if it is working or not. So always keep an open mind. Don't get too involved in your plan that you are unable to change anything in it. This diary might look very boring, which is quite obvious because it's a design that has no सर पैर माथा कुछ नहीं है. बस फूल थे तो सब डाल दिए, रंग थे तो सब डाल दिए एक साथ. तो पहले था कि हाँ इसमें ही डिज़ाइन कर लेते थे, अपना क्रिएटिविटी उतारते थे. बट एज आई एम ग्रोइंग अप आई फील दैट like that creative urge inside me is slowly like not dying, but it is like getting old, and I'm an old soul now. So I don't really do anything. I have kept it like this only. I haven't like covered it with something funky or haven't tried any designs. I am just using it just like any adult would. So I guess I'm getting old. But anyway, the main point is it is being used. None of the pages are being wasted, so that's a good sign. I guess. So the second journal that I have for you is my budgeting planner, and this is from Classmate. It's a 6 subject book with 300 pages, but it does not look like a 300 pages, I know, because I have pulled out pages out of it. I had my college notes in this, but my course ended, so I thought I would use it for some other purpose, so I removed that, and now I am left with this much pages, which is quite enough for my budgeting, because I don't really do a proper like accounting stuff. Though I am a commerce student, but I have forgotten, because now I am an art student. So I have forgotten even the basics of it. So now what I do is simply make tables of my expenditure, my pocket money. Like I have different pages, for dedicated to all those stuffs differently, and I like write it down over there so that I know where my money is going, how much money I'm spending each month, and how much I owe to my parents. So to keep all the tracking, I use this planner. You don't really need something very fancy. You can all, and I know there's a lot of apps available right now, but if you're a person like me who is more into pen and paper, so then you definitely just need a simple notebook and like record everything. I only take money for my YouTube channel. I have stopped taking like usual pocket money, uh, like for just anything. If I want to eat or buy anything, I had a fixed pocket money every month. But then I decided that YouTube is really my priority and I want to take it seriously. And if I have to take it seriously, I have to take it as a business and not depend on my parents' money. Like if I do it like that, then I will never get serious. I will never understand the difficulties. So I have fixed amount that they will provide me every month, just like banks lend you money and then you like do everything out of it. And I hope someday I will make profit out of it and will be able to return them all that they have provided me. So that's my plan for now. It was like in the mid 2020 that I decided that I really want to do YouTube, and you guys have helped me a lot to reach here. I mean, it's not really a big deal where I am, but it's the starting steps. And if I'm really serious and I stay consistent, then I believe I can do much better, and there will be more people like you who will join this family. So I'm really hoping for that day. And this was it for the budget planner. So the third journal is really special in my life, and I always had a personal diary with me since a very small age, like 5 or 6. My father used to get diaries, and I would just take one for myself and wrote shit all over it that had no meaning at all, but it was really cute to look at those. But now I have given up those diaries. It was too old and I really did not want to hold on too much to my childhood stuff. So I gave those. तो वो सब काफ़ी सारे थे, और अभी जो रिसेंट मेरे पास है ये है अमेज़न बेसिक्स डायरी, और ये हार्ड कवर है जो कि लाइक मुझे बहुत पसंद है इस टाइप का। एंड सबसे बढ़िया बात ये है कि ये ब्लैक है, पूरा पिच ब्लैक, it's matte, it's not shiny, which is even better. And this comes with this elastic I don't know what it is called, guard. uh, so this elastic guard is very helpful, like especially when you are putting this in a bag, your pages won't get ruined. It will be guarded by this, and it has this, so which is also a really nice thing. And other than that, it has another surprise which I did not know when I bought it. I got to know it when it came. So when it arrived, I saw it has a pocket which is so cool. I never knew that it had it. Like I even in the description, I never saw it. I don't know. And I have kept 2 notes. One is a 10 rupee note. It is quite old, and there's a 20 rupees note. This is a new note that Ashma gave me. So clean and straight, ironed. It's pretty. So that is my personal diary for you. Earlier, before this, I had this one. This is from Archie's. I used to be a big fan of Archie's because I was a teenager and I wanted really beautiful, fancy stuff without really realizing the prices. So that is all about my personal diaries. And this reminded me of my fourth journal, that is my mini travel journal. This came with the diary. It was a set, and I really love the size of it. I have random stuff in it. Every diary has some random stuff. There's a design of a t-shirt that I thought if I ever had a company, I would put this design. I was planning with Ashma. I carry it with myself everywhere. If I have to note something, I will put it here. If I like randomly remember a word or a song that I want to Google when I get back home, I write it here, because I know when I will get home I will not remember it at all. So I put it over here. And this is really handy, very handy. You can just carry it everywhere. And but you can also argue that phones are a better option. You can save contacts if you want directly from there, but then I also feel your phone battery can die. So it's better to have a backup like this. It doesn't really take much, just a pen and this small thin diary. That is my mini travel journal for you, and it says the art of happiness. Okay, I have some pretty random sketches on it. Now we will get to the fifth. So the fourth in my list is my bullet journal, and you have seen it in my earlier videos. I have made a detailed video about how I use my bullet journal and how I plan it, how I design it, everything regarding it, and how you can also start with your bullet journal. I already had so many functional diaries with me. I wasn't sure that if I will be able to maintain another one, and if really I will be that much into bullet journaling. I wasn't sure, but then I got it as a gift from Ashma. It was a set of two, and the other one I will show you later. That's an interesting one. I have already made a video, so I won't go deeper into it, but only thing that I want to talk about is that bullet journaling might look like a very colorful thing, like you have to make designs, keep up with organization and stuff in a artistic way, but that is not the truth. Bullet journaling is only used for organizing your life, your schedule, your work, whatever purpose you want to use it for, and you can use it in any way possible. If you're the kind of person who likes it very plain, black and white, then you can definitely go for that. You don't have to make doodles, add a lot of stickers. It's not like that. The purpose of the Bujo is only to organize your lifestyle, your life, and the rest of it, how you maintain it, how you want to keep it, is totally dependent on the type of person you are. I usually use bullet journaling to track my lifestyle, because I don't have many bad habits, but also I don't practice good habits, so which is quite ignorant and can result to something bad in the future. So to improve that, I wanted to do bullet journaling as a tracking device. So that is all about my Bujo, and now we will move on to the next. I don't know, but I do feel like that you're going to love this one. This is my art journal, and I have two of them. I use them separately for different emotions. Like if the emotion is coming out as written words, then I have one for that, like in form of poetry or in form of quotations, and then the other one is drawing, doodles, paintings, cutouts, collage, like it just decorating stuff. So for that I have the other one, and these are the two I'm talking about. These are so good. This one is pretty bulky and heavy because I have put random stuff in it. I have a habit of doing that. This case bound book with like 192 pages, and it cost only 70 rupees. The design is really good. It's chaotic but in a good way, and it is from Navneet, My Notes range, which is quite good. I have some cards over here. So these are birthday cards that I bought for myself. Yes, that sounds very lonely. I give myself birthday cards with messages written on it, and the most favorite one is, I guess, from 2013, and wish you a very happy birthday with lots of love. I love this for a very specific reason. In 2013, what would be my age? Okay, I was 16 years old, and this one is my favorite because it reads, on your birthday, someone as nice as you deserves a hug. Isn't this really like touching? So I really love this one. And like if I feel like really bad, I sometimes hug my card. In a lot of ways I sound so lonely, but after college, after being in a hostel, I have learned to, like, operate around people. It was them, the first people from whom I learned how to hug a human being, because before that I haven't ever hugged anyone and it was quite weird. But now that I have learned to do that, whenever I meet them, I just go. Come, let me introduce you to my second art journal. This is the most beautiful I have ever owned, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. Here I express my emotions in sketches. Also, I put some important moments of my life in here. So these were two. I hope you really like these. So that is all. No, actually that is not all. There's a final notebook that I have. So the fifth and the last in my collection is my manager. Well, I like to call this my manager because everything is done through this journal. Every thought, every discussion that is made in my life is happening over here, from deciding my password, from discussing what should be my channel name, why it should be my channel name. Even my skincare routines are discussed and researched over here, and then from here I come to a conclusion and then add that to my daily life. This is my diary that is from Navneet HQ range, and the HQ range is the most attractive and sober looking product. I really love it. It is in A5 size, and it has this waterproof plastic sort of cover which can be like cleaned, but of course you can see I have not made an effort to do that. But moving on, it has this plastic pouch where you can put your important stuff, but I have put really random stuff like Bewako sticker, People Ka Patta, which has some drawing which is really beautiful, done by one of my friends from college. And there's this note or letter to myself that I can read when I'm feeling down, and that's all. So this journal, I would say, is not necessary for everyone, but because I'm really that sort of person, so I have it. But whatever, you can buy this diary for other purposes as well, because this is so beautiful and the color collection is so amazing. Especially the pink and the blue is my favorite, but I cannot buy both at the same time because a lot of diary is left, a lot of pages are left, so I cannot really buy a new one. But this one is about to end, so after this ends I'm sure to get the pink one, because I'm really impressed. It's not your regular pink, it's a different kind of pink which I won't be able to explain, so I better shut up. And that is all about the whole collection. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun showing you all the stuff because I get really excited about diaries, and so I was like excited from the beginning to show it to you, though I wasn't able to like show all the stuff inside because that's my personal stuff, so I cannot of course show you everything. But I tried showing you as much as I could to give you an idea about how I use it. So I hope it really helped you decide what journal you could buy for yourself and what purpose you really need to add in your schedule. Also remember that those links are affiliate links, so if you buy from there I will get some percentage, from ranging from 1 to 5%. as a referral fee, because I'm getting customer to Amazon, so they will pay me. You don't have to pay any extra money, so you are only going to pay the selling price by the Amazon, and the shipping charges if it is applicable. Other than that, you don't have to pay anything extra. So if you're planning to buy the same products that I showed, I would request you to buy it from my link. You will be helping me to earn some money, so it would really help me. And that's all. Do let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and what would you like to add in your list. And also do discuss about your journals. I would really love to hear them, because I know I cannot be the only person who is crazy about diaries. So bye now. I will see you in the next video.